Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This palatial residence, boasting 7 bedrooms and 9 bathrooms, plus swimming pool and pool deck, is situated in Junction St Elizabeth, just a few minutes walk from the bustling town center. There is easy access to primary and secondary schools, health clinics, and multi-denomination churches, police station, fire station, petrol station, financial institutions, retail outlets, etc. The property is 90% complete, and the land size is a total of a little over an acre. There are 2 built water storage tanks that guarantee that availability of water will never be in doubt. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 48 million or US $311.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.